Chronic frizz, dry ends, and breakage indicate a deeper issue, a gray biofilm of product residue and toxins accumulating directly on the scalp. The scalp is uniquely susceptible to this buildup because its high density of hair follicles and sebaceous glands creates direct pathways into the skin. This makes the area highly absorbent, allowing trapped chemical residues to penetrate the protective barrier. To clear these pathways, we utilize a 3D-radiant DIY mask made from calcium bentonite clay, a mineral-rich substance derived from volcanic ash. Standard shampoos lack the binding properties to remove these deep-seated toxins, making a specialized detox the mandatory first step for healthy hair growth. To begin the extraction, gather 1 cup of bentonite clay powder, 1 cup of warm water, and a ½ cup of cider vinegar. Because the scalp is so permeable, you must perform a safety check before applying the full mask to prevent a widespread inflammatory reaction. Take a small amount of the unmixed, dry clay and apply it to a discrete patch of skin, then wait exactly 24 hours. If the area remains free of itchiness, redness, or a rash after the full day has passed, the treatment is safe for your specific skin chemistry. Verifying this biological compatibility ensures that the detox process restores the scalp environment without introducing a new allergic crisis to the epidermis. Once cleared for use, combine the 1 cup of clay with the 1 cup of warm water in a non-metal bowl. Water changes the clay's molecular state, generating a strong negative charge. This acts as a magnet for positively charged toxins. But the water must be warm, not hot. Hot water disrupts this activation, rendering the clay inert and unable to bind to impurities. Now add the final ingredient, a ½ cup of apple cider vinegar. Raw bentonite clay is highly alkaline, which can leave the hair feeling stiff. The vinegar balances this pH level, ensuring the mask is acidic enough to smooth the hair cuticle and restore natural shine. Stir until you achieve a smooth paste. If it feels too thick to spread, gradually whisk in small splashes of water until the consistency is thin enough to apply evenly. Following these precise measurements creates a negatively charged pH-balanced paste, optimized to pull toxins from the hair and skin on contact. Start the application at the roots, massaging the paste thoroughly into the scalp, before dragging the remaining product down to the ends. Massage works the clay into follicular openings, moving past the surface dead skin of the stratum corneum to reach deeper blockages in the dermis. Here, the clay latches onto and lifts the trapped sweat and sebum that regular washing misses. Let the mask process for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows deep penetration without letting the clay dry to the point of causing hair breakage. Since the mask binds to oils and dirt, it replaces your standard shampoo and conditioner. Rinse thoroughly with warm water until the runoff is clear. If you have extra paste, store it in a closed lid container to keep the clay moist and active for your next session. This 10-minute application provides a level of follicular extraction that commercial soaps are not formulated to reach. Clearing that congestion results in hair that is noticeably softer and more manageable. By removing the biofilm, you allow the scalp to breathe and the hair to move with its natural fluidity. For long-term health, incorporate this protocol into your routine once a week. If your hair is currently experiencing extreme damage or brittleness, you may need to perform the detox 2 or 3 times a week initially to fully reset the foundation. Maintaining this toxin-free environment is the most effective way to ensure your scalp can support healthy hair growth and long